Hi there, it's Ginger Bratzel from New Patient Attraction Automation and gingerbratzel.com, and this is the place where we help dentists attract and retain more of their patients, increase your production, and create sustainable growth for your business. And today I want to talk to you about not being and participating in the Me Too mentality. So what do I mean about a Me Too? Well, I don't want you to be a Me Too dentist. So if I was going to a room and I said, do you do implants? And everyone raises their hands. Well, you look around, you're not unique. And I say, well, you do fillings. You raise their hand. Well, I do Invisalign, and raise their hand, and go through all these procedures, and 80% of the room is doing all the same thing. There's not that many things to differentiate you. So what makes you different? It's hard to compete when you are just a blob in the crowd. I know you're a fantastic dentist. I know you have a fantastic practice, but it needs to shine in its own little light. So if you're competing in this circle, in the Me Too circle, you're not going to shine up. But wonder if you were in a circle, it might be a really tiny circle, but there was no competition, or very few competition. That's where you were, or you were down here. It needs to be easy for the patients to understand. So when you go through, I want you to write a list of 5 things. Hopefully do a list of 7 things that is truly unique to your practice that nobody else can really say in your competition area, the dentist down the street. And where a patient, if you ask them a question, you would be the only one that, if the patient came to you and asked you those 7 questions, that you're the only one in your community, in your area, that could answer yes to all of those questions. And I want you to set yourself out, because I don't want you to disappear. You don't want to be, the worst, there's nobody down there. The best, there's nobody up there, but you don't want to be just in that middle ground. So I want you to set yourself up where you can shine up and be different from the rest of the community, and just make sure that you're being spotlighted. Even if you think you're not a flashy kind of person, I'm not asking you to change it with who you are and being inauthentic, but I want you to showcase and feature what you're really good at, and nobody else can say that to that question, and you will do better and you will increase your production. This is going on in our economy, so I want you to say goodbye to Me Too and concentrate on being, hey, I'm a one of a kind, I'm a unique individual, I'm a unique practice, welcome. I hope you found this useful. A lot of these dental topics we get from questions that come in to us from dentists just like you. So if you have a question or idea for an upcoming episode, please let us know. And also, we have a podcast on iTunes specifically for the dental community, the Dental Patient Attraction Podcast. Go in today, subscribe, and so you can get tidbits. We're going to send special information to those podcasts that you can't get anywhere else. So make sure you subscribe, and then you always have it on your iTunes enabled devices. Take care, and I'll talk to you really soon.